2, 3, go!
This episode is called Breaking News.
Breaking news. I'm your host Ella. So I noticed there's a hurricane in China. What hurricane? After the news. And there was only one person who survived. And her name was Mademoiselle. We have our representative Diego reporting from China. Hello, Diego, you're on live.
Thank you, Ella. Now with Mademoiselle. Please, Mademoiselle, tell us what happened during the hurricane.
A cat, my book, and my bag flew away.
Oh, really?
Yes. Oh my God, this animal.
A hurricane can be defined as a strong or violent storm that exists. They can also be called cyclones and typhoons. They can be measured in 5 categories, which the 5th is the highest. That was a close one. And that was what I was talking about. This is Diego reporting live from China. Back to you, Ella.
Thank you, Diego, for the detailed information as usual. See you in the next video. This video isn't over yet. What's hurricane? Hurricane is a violent, strong wind. Is it destructive? It's very, 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 very destructive. Oh. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.